All right, K5. Today we're going to have science, so that's fun. Remember, we were talking about seasons. Remember, winter, spring, summer, fall. And we had a song about seasons, all right? Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons for and all. Weather changes, sun and rain and snow. Leaves fall down and flowers grow. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons for and all. Look outside and you will see just what season it will be. All right, let's sing that song. You ready? Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons for and all. Weather changes, sun and rain and snow. Leaves fall down and flowers grow. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons for and all. Look outside and you will see just what season it will be. Let's sing that again. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons for and all. Weather changes, sun and rain and snow. Leaves fall down and flowers grow. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons for and all. Look outside and you will see just what season it will be. All right, good job, boys and girls. All right, today we're going to continue talking about seasons. Now, we already talked about that God made a plan for seasons, okay? He planned for there to be winter, spring, and summer and fall. All right, he made that plan. It didn't just happen. That was God's perfect plan. All right, and the first season we talked about was spring. Remember, spring is whenever there's a lot of new life. All right, the buds start coming out on the trees. The flowers start to grow. Baby animals are born. Everything is warm and beautiful. Sometimes we get a lot of rain to help things grow, but that's springtime, and that is the season that we're in right now. And the Bible says, Ecclesiastes 3:2, a time to be born, just like the baby animals are born. Then we also talked about summer. Okay? Now, in the spring, people plant things. They plant their gardens. And Ecclesiastes says in 3:2, a time to plant. So, a time to be born, a time to plant. And in the summer, it gets hot and the plants and the flowers grow. If you plant a garden grows. Okay, and summer is very hot. We don't have school in the summertime, so we have long days with hot weather. Lots of time outside. Okay, so the summer days, remember we talked about how they're long and sunny. Sometimes we go to bed while it's still light outside, and when we get up in the morning, it's light again. Okay, because the days are very long. Okay, now we're going to talk about the season of fall, boys and girls. Okay, fall or autumn. It's also called autumn. All right. Now, the Bible says in Ecclesiastes 3:2, and a time to pluck up that which is planted. That's talking about the harvest, boys and girls, about picking the things that have grown. Okay? Now, God made fall. Fall is a busy time. The farmer must pick his crops, and he must get ready for winter. Look at those pumpkins, boys and girls. Look how big they are. That is a great harvest, isn't it? And of course, in the fall, we get apples and all the wonderful things that come from apples. Caramel apples, apple cider, apple pie. All right, I love apples. Do you? All right, look here on page 40. The animals are busy in the fall. The birds fly south. Why do you think they fly south, boys and girls? Do you know? They fly south so they'll be where it's warm for the winter. Okay, the south is where it's warm. The squirrels gather nuts. They must get ready for winter too. Okay, you'll see squirrels being very, very busy in the fall getting ready for the winter. They have to get their food ready. All right, now look at this picture, boys and girls, on the next page, page 41. It says, I am busy in the fall. I go to school. I go to school. The trees are busy too. The leaves are changing color. Brown, yellow, red, and orange. Everything is getting ready for the winter. All right, boys and girls, did you know that fall is my favorite season? It is so beautiful in the fall. The air gets cool and crisp, but it's not freezing cold yet. And the leaves change their colors, and they are so pretty. Now, after fall comes winter. Okay, page 42, boys and girls. God made winter. Now, we are just finished winter here, and it's still a little cool, but it's not cold like it was in the middle of winter, is it? All right, now the Bible says in Ecclesiastes 3:11, He hath made everything beautiful in His time. And look at that beautiful winter scene there, boys and girls, with the snow on the trees. Now, winter is a time to rest. The trees do not have leaves. The trees are resting. The plants and seeds are under the snow. The snow is a nice blanket for them. The plants and seeds are resting. The forest animals grow warm coats. Some animals grow white coats. These coats are for winter. They help the animals to blend in with the snow and keep them safe. All right, it's a form of camouflage for them, boys and girls. Makes them the same color as the snow so they can hide from animals and other animals that might hurt them. Now, some animals sleep through the winter. You see those bears? They are resting, and this rest is called hibernation. Okay, so bears, they go to sleep in the winter, and they sleep all winter long. And look at that little baby bear. Isn't he cute? All right, let's turn to page 44. All right, can you see that picture there on page 44? Winter is a cold time. It's dark when I get up for school, and it's dark when I go to bed. I sleep at night under a nice blanket. It is not made of snow. All right, so just like in the summertime, when you go to bed, it's light in the summer, and it's light when you get up because the days are very long. In the winter, the days are short, boys and girls. So when we go to bed at night, it's dark, and when we get up in the morning, it's dark. And it's hard to get up when it's dark outside, isn't it? All right, now look at this page. This is a page you get to do something on. All right, it says something you can do. Winter is a good time to play. Boy, that's true, isn't it, guys? And I can make a snowman, and I can ride on my sled. Okay, so you're going to color the children's clothes on this page. Give them some nice bright snow clothes. All right, look at this page right here, boys and girls. We're on page 46. God has a plan for each season. In Genesis 8:22 in the Bible, it says, while the earth remaineth, seed time and harvest, and cold and heat, and summer and winter, and day and night shall not cease. Cease means stop, so they're not going to stop. Okay? Now, look at this pretty picture up here with the blossoms. Spring, the tree buds. Summer, the tree grows. Fall, the tree gives fruit. And winter, the tree rests. And that is all part of God's plan, boys and girls. Don't we have a wonderful God who planned the seasons for us? Seasons that we can enjoy and that help us to have the things that we need. Just think, if it was winter all the time, would we be able to grow our food? We wouldn't, would we? I am thankful that we have 4 seasons. What is your favorite season, boys and girls? Is your favorite winter when there's snow to play in and it's cold? Is that your favorite season? Or is it spring when everything starts to wake up outside? The trees start to get buds, the flowers start blooming, the grass grows, it gets warm, the birds come back from the south. Is that your favorite season? Or is it summer when it's hot outside and the days are long? We get to play outside, we get to play in water, we get to wear light clothes instead of coats and sweaters. Is that your favorite season? Or is it fall or autumn when it starts getting cool again and the leaves change to those beautiful orange and reds? And we get lots of good things to eat like pumpkin pie and apple cider, caramel apples. What is your favorite season, boys and girls? All right, you think about that and you have a great day.